Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you the field stripping of this Taurus Millennium G2. Now before you field strip any firearm, you want to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, drop the magazine, set it to the side, double check the chamber, and we are clear and ready to proceed. Now this is going to take apart much like the Glocks. If you haven't seen any of those, we're going to put a link in the description below, but this is going to take apart very similarly. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to send it slide forward. All right, we're going to pull back on the slide just a little bit. We're going to put our thumb in the ting of the grip. We're going to wrap our fingers around the top of the slide, and we're going to squeeze a little bit to bring that slide back. Now with that slide back a little bit, we're going to take our thumb on this side, middle finger on the other, and we're going to pull down on this takedown lever. We're going to pull down on it, we're going to hold down on it, and then we're going to release the slide forward. So we're going to pull down, release. Now we'll not go forward all the way until you pull that trigger. Now the slide's going to come off. So we're going to go ahead and set our frame to the side because that's as far as we're going to need it with this field strip. And then we're going to move into the slide. Now with our slide upside down, we're going to take the spring and spring guide, and we're going to compress it just a little bit and pull it up and out of there. Set it to the side. We're going to take our barrel, push it up and out, and then we have our slide. Now we have our Millennium G2 field stripped. We have our slide, our barrel, our spring and spring guide, and our frame. From here, you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to the firearm. Now let's move back into reassembly. We're going to go ahead and do it in the reverse order. All right, so we have our slide upside down, our barrel, we're going to drop in muzzle first. We're going to take our spring and spring guide. With the spring and spring guide, there's a longer, fatter end and a skinnier, shorter end. The longer, fatter end is going to go in first at the muzzle end. You're going to insert that in. We're going to compress it down just a little bit. It's going to get caught in the bottom of the barrel lug. All right, from there, we're going to set it right side up. We're going to insert the rails on the top of this frame here. We're going to insert that into these cutouts on the back of the slide. We're going to insert those, we're going to keep it lined up, we're going to pull it all the way back and let go. Now with that, we have the firearm reassembled, but we want to go ahead and do a functions check to make sure that we put it back together properly. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to point in a safe direction, we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. We're going to let go, we're going to pull that slide back and let go, and we're going to pull that trigger again. Now we're going to pull the slide back, let go, and we're going to pull the trigger and hold the trigger to the rear. Holding that trigger to the rear, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back, let go, and we're going to release the trigger until we hear and feel that click. That click tells us that the trigger has been reset. Now we can pull that trigger to the rear again. All right, we're going to hold that to the rear, we're going to pull back and let go, release the trigger until we hear and feel that click again. All right, and then we're going to let go of the trigger all the way. Now this firearm does have safety, so we want to go ahead and test to make sure that safety is properly working as well. So we're going to go ahead and engage that safety. We're going to attempt to pull the trigger. It's not working because the safety is engaged and the safety is operating the way it's supposed to. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull back, let go, try that safety again. And it's not working the way it's supposed to. So that's good. We want to make sure that's working because at times safeties can fail. So we want to be able to know whether our firearm is operating the way it's supposed to, including features like that. Now we have field stripped, reassembled, and even function checked this Taurus Millennium G2. For more videos on how to field strip your firearm, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here at PTPGun.com Firearms Training. Also hit the notifications bell because we will be posting more field stripping videos each and every Friday. If you have particular handguns that you would like to see us field strip for you on video and be able to show you how to do that, go ahead and hit us in the comments below and let us know what model you have and would like to see done. Thank you all again, stay safe, and remember to train, defend, prevail.